In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stop incoming calls from ringing here on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if there's any point throughout this guide that you do have any questions, ask them down below. I'm going to be doing my very best to respond to every single comment so I can help you out further. Say you don't want any calls coming through, the first thing that you're going to want to do here on an iPhone is actually open up your settings. And up at the very top on this little search section, what you're going to want to do is just type in focus, just like so, and then select focus when it does pop up. First thing that you're going to want to do is just make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. And once you do turn on Do Not Disturb, select it, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. You're going to see a section that says Allow Notifications, and there's a People tab on it. Go ahead and click on it to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And in the section that says phone calls, go ahead and change it from favorites to allowed people only and just never add any people on here. And this is essentially going to make it so that every single time someone calls you, it just sends it straight to voicemail. Now, if you don't know how to turn on Do Not Disturb, simply swipe down from the bottom, from the top right, and just turn on Do Not Disturb, and then these settings will take effect. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.